Hello and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the auto-folding mirrors feature on your Kia Sportage. This feature can be quite handy in tight parking spaces, and knowing how to control it is essential. Now, let's dive into it. To enable the auto-folding mirrors on your Sportage, follow these simple steps. Locate the mirror adjustment switches on the driver's side door panel. Look for a switch has outside mirror icons on it. Move the switch to the center position to enable the auto-folding mirrors. When in auto mode, the mirror will fold or unfold when the door is locked or unlocked by the smart key or by the button on the outside door handle. To override the auto mode and fold the mirrors manually, press the side of the switch that has fold icon. You should hear a soft mechanical sound, indicating that the mirrors are folding. To unfold the outside mirrors, press the unfold side of the switch. The mirrors will remain in open position even when you turn off the engine and lock the vehicle. There you have it. Enabling or disabling the auto-folding mirrors on your Kia Sportage is a simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Wheel Joint for more useful car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and drive safely.